I am Riccardo Strada.
You're so warm and hospitable and fun.
Later.
Is my home, and you will be my guest.
It's delicious. It really is.
Perfect. It's not properly a school.
So yeah, this is the best way to dive into the Italian culture and learn about it.
I will explain you the tricks.
Everything is fresh. Everything's cooked from scratch. Obviously, we're here to prepare food.
And the little stories.
And we can tell that, you know, you can still communicate without the language. It's lovely.
I thought it was really cool the lemon pill, putting it in, and then how it flavored it so much. I thought that was.
I am Riccardo. Bye. Remember, I am here for you, with you, enjoying with you our wonderful cuisine.
This is wonderful. Thank you for having us to your home.